Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Lumen5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lumen5.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Lumen5 website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner to sign into your existing account. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now if you created your account using your Facebook or your social media accounts, you can click on the login with Facebook option. Otherwise, just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then type in your account password. Finally, click on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on Lumen5. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials and change your password. And now once you are logged in, you can immediately start using Lumen5 from your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Lumen5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.